Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market, from significant investments to major deals, quarterly earnings, and fundraising. Here's a quick look at which stocks are going to be in focus in today's trade. First up, Indigen. Ceodon is likely to sell 2.9% stake of the company via block deals, reports CNBC TV 18 quoting sources. The floor price is expected to be at Rs 615 per share. Second stock that is going to be in focus is Godrej Properties. If we talk about Godrej Properties, then it is going to raise rupees 6,000 crore at issue price of rupees 2,595 per share. The Mumbai-based real estate developer closed its qualified institution placement issue on 2nd of December, raising 6,000 crore. It has fixed issue price at rupees 2,595 per share, which is set at 4.86% discount to floor price of rupees 2,727.44 per share. It has approved allocation of 2.31 crore equity shares to the eligible qualified institutional buyers. Third stock that is going to be in focus is Torrent Power. If we talk about Torrent Power, then Torrent Power opens QIP on 2nd of December, sets floor price at rupees 1,555.75 per share. It has fixed floor price at rupees 1,555.75 per share. According to CNBC TV18 sources, the company is likely to sell 4.6% equity via QIP, with indicative issue size of rupees 3,500 crore. Fourth stock that is going to be in focus is KPI Green Energy. KPI Green Energy bags order worth rupees 1,311 crore from Coal India. If we talk about the company, then the KP Group company has received its largest ever order worth rupees 1,311 crore for setting up of 300 MWAC ground-mounted solar PV plant, including operation and maintenance services for 5 years from Coal India. Fifth stock that is going to be in focus is Solar Industries. Solar Industries India wins export orders worth rupees 2,039 crore for supply of defense products. If we really talk about this stock, then the company and its subsidiary have received export orders worth rupees 2,039 crore for supply of defense products to be delivered over 4 years. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.